Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at the abstract class. We're going to learn how to use it, when to use it, and what it looks like. Hang in there, okay? Let us begin with a simple example. Notice all C programs begin with main. And notice my main does not call anything as blank. But we have two other class items. I have one called student, and student inherits user. User is an abstract class. Notice that it has a first name, a last name, and then it has a method called say hello. Notice my comment on line 11. An abstract class can choose to implement a method or leave it to the derived class. So I can either leave it in here or I can move it to the student class. Whatever the scope I need is available. So now back to the program, how would we say this? We would say var user equals new. Can I come out there and go directly to our abstract class? Can I come out here and call this user? Of course not. It's an abstract class. It must be inherited. So notice we've got this red bar that's asking, hey, I don't think you know what you're doing. You're not allowed to do that. But student inherited user. So now I can use it. So now I can say new student. And then u.firstname equals Fred Sanford. Fred u.lastname equals Sanford. And then u.show. And we're going to be using everything from the abstract class. Let us execute this. I'm going to just stop on this method here. F11. Run this. All right, F11. Notice that I'm inside of the abstract class and I say hello, and my output, hi, I'm Fred Sanford, and program is done. That is simple case one. Now in the second example, notice in student, I brought over the say hello. The say hello is now in the student class. I removed it from the abstract class. It's no longer available. And remember what the rule said. I can either leave it in the abstract class or I can implement it in the derived class. Let's run this program again. Hit F10 to run this. When it stops on say hello, hit F11. Now notice here, I'm in the student. I'm going to execute that. We'll bring over the output. Hi, I'm Fred Sanford. And we're done. That's example 2. Now in this example, notice that we're looking at the abstract class. And down here, I'm using public virtual void say hello. So this is a method inside of the abstract class. Now, when I use the virtual keyword, that means I can override it in the derived class. Now, what does that mean? So what is the derived class? Well, that was student. So here I have to say public override. See the message here? You can override the method in the derived class. So notice, because I said virtual, I did that. Now, if I come up here and say hello to, now notice that does not exist over here. So it's belly aching. You know, you see that red line? It's saying, hey, you can't do that. I think it gives some kind of hated message. Student say hello to is not suitable. That's right, it's not suitable because it's not there. It has to be there. So let's come back up there and clean it up. So now, when I do say hello, let's see where it goes to. F11. And notice that we're in student. We're in the override method. I have first and last name. And there you have it.